Hey, greetings, salutations. Well, last night I wrapped up the floor, the wood floor anyway, and it's getting dirty already. It's to be expected. But today I think I'm going to spend what little time I have today. I think I got about 45 minutes, give or take. I'm going to start laying out tile in the bathroom, at least on the floor. I'm going to work on this for a minute. This is good practice whether you're doing penny tile or any other kind of mosaic tile or just a regular square or rectangular tile. Voila. Well, as you can see, I've got the floor pretty much laid out the way I wanted. I still need to cut some pieces for the bottom down there. But for the most part, I've got everything where I need it to be. So at this point, I can go ahead and mark the tiles that need to be nipped to fine tune them, to mark out the holes and cut those out where they need to, for the drain and for the closet valve. I need to cut some more, cut down some tiles for around that curb, and then I can start gluing the stuff down. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow for sure.
Alright, now is the least favorite thing for me to do with these small profile tiles, especially penny tiles, is to cut these in half to finish them off along the edge. But if you get one of these, I got this at Harbor Freight for like $9. It's just a simple tile nipper. And if you take and carefully scribe ever so slightly, just scribe a score line in the surface of that tile and then center it up. It'll break in half nicely. So I got a few of these to do, and then in fact I'm gonna go get a count how many of these I got to do, and then I'm gonna finish marking out the tiles I need to cut for the drain and stuff, and I'll use this the same way and cut those in, and we'll start gluing them down. Wow. That took about as long as this entire wood floor. You know, now I'm thinking about it, maybe I should have just wrapped or linered the bathroom in white. Might be onto something there. That floor is down. I gotta leave that set for at least 24 hours, probably more like 2 days. I got quite a bit of cut pieces left here, and some little pieces. I might do gray behind this. I got 2 pieces, two full tiles. And I think I only need to come up to about here, and I'm gonna finish the rest in stainless. Put a little kicker here to kick the fumes towards there and keep the heat off the wall. That took a long time and it sucked. I didn't like that at all. I usually like doing tile, but this is my first experience with penny tile, and I gotta tell you, if I ever do this for somebody, I'm gonna charge them twice, maybe 3 times as much as laying regular tile. Pain in the keister. Alright, so anyway. That is your daily dose of bus. Episode 72. Bathroom floor tile. That's all I got for today. Hey, I just wanted to let y'all know that I have opened a Patreon account, and if you go to my YouTube main page up in the banner where my Instagram link is, there's a link to both Patreon and to a PayPal link. So if you're interested in supporting this channel financially, there's a few ways you can do that. One way is the most painless way that I know of, that doesn't cost you anything more than what you would spend at Amazon. If you shop at Amazon, it's as simple as going through one of those links, whether you're going to buy something that I'm highlighting or going through one of those links to get whatever it is you do want. It doesn't cost you anything extra. I just get a little bit of a commission. It's just pennies, but every penny counts. That's the cheapest way that I know of, if you shop on Amazon anyway, to support this channel financially. If you want to step up your financial support game a little bit more, and you just want to do a one-time donation, I'd greatly appreciate that. Use the PayPal link. Or wait until the next time you see a premiere video, and you can go on there and donate that way. if you're feeling really generous, God bless you, and you want to support this channel on a monthly basis, then by all means use the Patreon link. You can pledge your support that way in 3 different tier levels. I'm still working out logistics of what to do to incentivize the upper tier levels. Right now I just got it kind of set default settings, but give me your input on that. What would you like to see at the different tier levels? And we'll go from there. If you're feeling generous and you want to do that, man, I would really appreciate that. Thank you in advance if you can do that. And hey, I know what it's like to be broke. Being broke sucks. If you're at a point in your life where you just don't have the disposable income to support this channel, man, I sincerely appreciate you watching the videos. If you can't afford to do any of those things, like I always say, we're probably related. I do that kind of tongue-in-cheek, but the reality is I know what it's like to be broke, you know. And I certainly don't want you to support this channel at your own financial peril. So if you just can't afford to do that, man, I could totally understand. So don't feel bad. If you still want to help, then just smash the like button and share. That's probably more important than all the financial blessings that you may bestow onto me. Just like and share the video. But if you feel like using any one of those donation links, man, that would be great. That would be great. That would certainly expedite some of these projects. So that's all I got for today. Thanks so much for watching. And until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep powder dry, and have a splendid day. And I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.